Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Avalanche gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, a dual exhaust with a tow hitch receiver, your backup camera, we do get a bed liner as well, mud flaps on the rear, and front, gripped running boards on either side, keyless entry keypad, blind spot detection, spotlight turn light indicated, side view camera, and moving to the front, we do get front park sensing, front tow hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system with cup holders and arm space, upgraded B&O sound system. We got lights with 12-volt rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 volt. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, that B&O sound system, spotlights, tailgate lights, parking brake, pedal adjusters, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 40,258 kilometers. Got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Digital speedometer with my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To main room, we got our gear select, this collapsible storage cup holders, wireless charging with some outlets, center console with an interior work surface, perfect for food, work, laptops, whatever you like, storage below. We even get our drive modes and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake with dual climate up front, heated front seats, 12 volt, 120 volt, storage above, below, on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got our auto stop, auto start, and 360 view of the vehicle with park sensing, hazards traction, and Ford's BlueCruise, which is Ford's highway self-driving. We got our audio here with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. We got our phone controls, your navigation, search, trace, and saved, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging, email, Wi-Fi. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8395, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.